So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find duplexes for rent here on apartments.com. So once you open up apartments.com, just go to where it says, the location. And for this demonstration, I'll type in Toronto, but type in the location that you want a duplex in. Once that is done, a few different ways you can do this. The simplest way would be to go to the top bar right here to where it says all filters, press on that. Then if you scroll down, so if you go to home type right here, it actually doesn't show duplex, but if you scroll a little bit further down where it says home styles and you press on duplex, you can then press on see results. Then all of a sudden your search will then refine to duplexes. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find duplexes for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.